So I thought, instead of actually looking at the whole game this time, which I usually do in most of my videos, we'd focus on Sicbo itself, this feature. Why do I want to focus on Sicbo? Well, a couple of reasons. One reason is that I'm seeing a lot of members having difficulty with it. Second reason is because there will be times we can have an opportunity to play Sicbo itself without playing the game. It will be a standalone feature, so we could get it with special promotions. It's a good idea if we all know how to play it. Why not if we can win extra coins? So when can we play the Sicbo feature? You will notice on the bar here on the side, the 8, the 17, the 27, 38, 50, 63, and 77. That basically means when it hits this point, when it hits 8, you will get a pop-up which asks you whether you want to continue playing or whether you want to play the Sicbo. If you want to get more chips, of course, you continue playing, filling up more bars. Or you can start the feature. The same thing will happen at 16 when you will be added an extra chip. Then you'll get 2 extra chips here at 27, 3 at 38, 4 at 50, 5 at 63, and the most chips will be towards the end. So you basically get, what is that? About 15 free chips. They're on the house. That means you will get 15 extra chips to play. Now you might want to reach the 77, especially today, because there's a badge out and you could win a 4-star card. Anyway, that's what you have to pay attention to when you're playing the Sicbo feature, and you'll see it in the pay table as well. It gives you that information. So the Sicbo bonus can only be played when either 8, 17, 27, 38, 50, 63, 77 are collected. And at 16 chips, you get that 1 extra, 25, 2 extra. So as I said, approximately, actually it's more than 20 now that I see the numbers adding up there. So that's, yeah, it's 21 extra chips on the house. All right, let's play Sicbo. Now, I am guessing that when you first looked at the table, because I'm sure you've all had a chance now to see some of those tables, it looks what? It looks like hieroglyphics, it looks like Greek to you. I mean, I'm sure you're probably all a little bit confused about what you need to do. But it really is quite simple to figure it out. So let's have a look at that table. And there I have it. Welcome to the Sicbo bonus. Start. You can see my chips are all full. That's, by the way, the magic of technology. You see everything ready because we're going to have some fun with 77 chips. All right. Now, what you're looking at is a table layout that has pictures of dice. So you have 2 dice, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 3, 1 and a 4. Yeah, that's what you have, pictures of dice. And you also have how much each possibility pays out. So these 2 specific combinations pay out. Every one you put on will give you 5. So you actually win the one that you have on it and the 5. Now, my coin value is 10 million. Nice and round number, so it's going to be easy for us to calculate. So I would win 60 million if I picked the right combination. All right, so one at a time. Let's start spinning so we don't waste too much time. Let's start here, nice and easy. This would be a choice someone would make if they wanted to play it safe. So you could choose small. Do you see where I'm circling the cursor? Or big. If I choose small, it will be between 4 and 10. If I choose big, it's between 11 and 17. Now, I prefer the big numbers, and I like 17. So, I place my bet. Small or big, even numbers, I'll get 1 return. So let's see what happens. And there it is. 6, 6 and 2 is 14. It's a big number. I just won my first 10 million. And it's added down there, plus of course the one that I had, 20. All right, next I can have combinations. That's the next look. We're going to look at that bet. So these are specific combinations. You can bet on 2 of the dice having 2 separate but specific numbers. Example, one dice could have 1 and a 2. The third dice that is going to spin in here, we really don't care what it's going to show. It's those 2 dice of the 3 that we're interested in. So I am thinking those 2 dice will be a 2 and a 6, a 3 and a 6. I'm focusing on 6, and a 4 and a 6. Now I've placed a few extra bets. I'm hoping one of those 3 dice is a 6, yeah, and one of the others could be either the 2, the 3, or the 4. Or I'm going to go one more because I want that 6. I want one of them to be a 6, so I'll go there. So a combination. Now, it might not be a clever bet there. I'm betting 4, and I'll only get 5 return. It's a gamble, and we're all gamblers. So let's see. No, I was off, way off. So my combination, the winning combination, would have been 1 and a 3. Those specific combinations. All right, next bet I'm going to look at. The next bet I'm going to look at is a 3 dice total. So the 3 dice that are hiding here, once they've rolled and revealed themselves, will be a total combination leading up to 4, 5, 6, all the way to 17. And if you will notice, it also tells you how much that total will award you. So if I think it's going to be 17, I could win 1 chip, will win 63. So that's the odds there. And these middle numbers you can see, 10 and 11, which are most commonly, those are the ones that come out more often. Those have smaller amounts to win. So I'm going to go 13, 14, and 15. So this is the 3 dice total, yes? And as you can see, the payouts vary according to what the total will be. All right, let's see. I missed it by that much. It was a 12. Total 5, 4, 3. All right, there they are. They were spinning away. I'm going to make my picks. Now, the next one I'm going to look at, specific doubles. Each double wins 1, 1 wins 11. So if I put 1, I will win 120. So this is, again, it has to be specific double. It's when 2 of the same numbers appear on 2 of the 3 dice. So I'm going to go for the 2 aces, 2s, and 3s, the specific doubles. Let's see what it will reveal. Well, I did have a specific double, but it was the double 4. Okay, next. Well, the next one is triples. Any triple. I'm going to go for any triple. Now, in this case, if it's a triple, it will win 31 to 1. So I will win 320 million. Let's see. Reveal. No triples. But the combination there was 12. So if I had picked the 12 here, or the 2 there that revealed themselves, all right, and 3 of a kind, that's the one that can award the most. 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 3s, 3 4s, 3 5s, 3 6. Now I put all 6 of them because I could win 194 to 1. That's the hardest one to get. Let's see what happens. Double 4s. I would have won this. So those are your basic bets.